Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Pisces, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you would like to book any personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information about it. So let's start with your career first. You've got the Seven of Spades and the Prince card. Well, I do see that you are laying foundation in your career right now. It could be that you are switching jobs or changing jobs or you have finally been promoted onto a new position. And if you have your own business, I do see that you have set up your own business very recently or are still in the process of setting up. You are laying the foundation and you have taken those first steps towards your success. I do see that you will start seeing a lot of success, money, abundance, and even fame start to coming. So you will be famous amongst your own industry, your own society, your own office. Some sort of fame is coming your way, success is coming your way, wealth is coming your way. So this is going to be a very good card. I also see that you will be placed on a high position and you will be treated like prince or princess in your work life, which means that you will be given a lot of respect. Probably you have worked very hard for it, you have a lot of experience, or you're very wise, very intelligent. Whatever it is, people will give you that kind of respect and you will have that kind of authority. I see you on a high position. At the same time, I think your energies are not changing. I still see you in a very giving energy, very kind energy, where you are still taking care of your juniors if you are in a job or your employees if you have your own business, right? So I think it's a very good card to have that your ego or your overconfidence is not hitting your head. So you're very much humble, you're very much grounded. And obviously that is why probably God is showering you with more success this week. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Cardinal card and the Lovers card. Well, this tells me that you have taken a very brave action in your love life. I do see maybe you initiated something, maybe you went out and proposed to somebody who was completely out of your league. Maybe they were very rich or very good looking, or you thought that you and them can never be together. I do see that if you're single, you will have multiple options to choose from, right? So you have one person you can message, you have other person who's messaging you, you have third person. So it can be a situation where you will have to make a choice, which one do you want to go with, right? So you have to make a very important choice this week. This week can be very important for you guys. And if you are in a relationship or married, I do see that there can be a third party situation. I do see that your partner can have multiple people to choose from to talk to, or they're already involved with some people. So you might be taking a very brave step in your relationship regards to this situation. Maybe you found out something, maybe you are deciding on whether you should be staying with them or moving on. I do see you making extremely important decision this week. I also see that those some of you can also find good news in the form of relationship or union. You probably can expect a reconciliation for some of you, which is happening, or a formal agreement, a marriage agreement, contract agreement, or setting of boundaries as well. I do see that when you find out something, instead of simply ending the relationship or getting a divorce, I do see that some of you could even be coming to terms with some sort of agreement that this is the boundary, this is the line, and you're not supposed to cross it, right? Like you're not supposed to go out and sleep with other person or share anything with other person, right? You're setting boundaries in your relationships. You're making taking important steps in your relationship, which is very brave of you. Maybe all this while you have been turning a blind eye to your partner's infidelity issues, but now you will step up. Now you will draw a line. You will say that this is it. I'm not going to take it anymore. If you have to continue this, then I am out. Right? So I do see you stepping up a lot in your personal relationships. Also, if you're single, I do see setting up strong boundaries, which maybe you earlier did not. You let people treat you however, and now it's not going to be the case. So you're coming out as very strong, very heroic like action that you will be taking in the third week. So yes, I do see that it is going to be a very important week for you. Some very good conclusions will come out of it. It's just that you will have to be brave, which I see you being brave. So very, very good week for you guys. Yes, There will be issues which you will find out, but I know that you will come out much stronger. So if you would like to claim the positive reading, please do comment, I claim this positive reading, so that this positivity reaches you faster. And if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Lastly, if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have any questions in your mind regarding this or any other area of your life, love, career, health, children, family, you can book a personal reading. If you would like to book any ritual, manifestation ritual, which is the bay leaf ritual or blockage removal ritual, very powerful, very simple, very easy rituals, very cheap rituals as well, you can book that as well. I also have packages available for single people. It's different for people in relationship, situationship or marriage. They have a different love package. And people who only want to know about their career focused, they can choose a career package for themselves. Every package will give you a free remedy on how to permanently remove blockages from your love, career as well. Lastly, I also have counseling sessions available. So if you or any of your friends or family need that kind of guidance, support, or they want to share their burdens with someone to just listen to them, guide them through, I will be their mentor. I will be sharing their deep burdens, the secrets that they probably cannot share with anyone else. So do share this video with anyone who needs that kind of help. I do have half an hour and 1 hour sessions available. I also have calls, unlimited question calls of half an hour and 1 hour available with me. Please note that these calls are only available on Instagram, Google Meet and Zoom. No WhatsApp number will be shared. No WhatsApp calls and video calls are available. So if you would like to book a reading, you can either email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com. I will be sharing the Google Meet or Zoom link with you over there. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. You can directly get an audio recording there as well. So yes, these details are mentioned in my bio as well as my description box below. So I look forward to hearing from you. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.